Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage juice. First, let's understand why this simple drink is so beneficial for your well-being. Cabbage juice is packed with nutrients that can support your digestive system and provide a natural boost to your overall health. It's a fantastic way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet easily and effectively. To get started, you'll need just a few basic items. The star of the show is, of course, one medium-sized green cabbage. Make sure it's fresh and firm. You'll also need a good knife and a cutting board for preparation, along with either a blender or a juicer, and a strainer to separate the pulp. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to make your juice. Begin by washing your cabbage thoroughly under cold, running water. Then, chop it into smaller, manageable pieces. Next, either blend the cabbage with a small amount of water or run it through your juicer. Finally, strain the liquid to achieve a smooth, pulp-free juice. For the best experience, it's ideal to drink your cabbage juice immediately after making it to maximize its freshness and nutrient content. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For a sweeter taste, you can always add a small apple or a few carrots when blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.